Hello everyone. Please can you let me know if you can hear my audio? Though I'm using a Bluetooth. But I just want to confirm if you can hear my audio, please. So if it's not clear, I'll disconnect the Bluetooth. Please guys, can you let me know in the comment section if you can hear me, please? Can you let me know? And also if my board is clear. So once it's 3 on dot, in 2 minutes time we'll start. Because it's going to be a 1-hour live session. Al B. Okay. You can hear me and my voice is clear, right? John Newton, thank you for sharing the live. Thank you. So I was live some few hours ago. And I gave this question for us to solve. So once it's 3, we start. For those that solved this question, how many of us got the answer? Because this session is going to be for 1 hour. This session is for 1 hour. This morning we solved 20 questions on exponential equation. So in 1 minute time we're starting. Please, if you got the answer, this was what we were doing in the morning. If you got the answer, please kindly drop the answer in the comment section. Can you drop your answer in the comment section if you're able to solve this in the morning? So we agreed to solve question on simultaneous equation, right? So for those that were with me this morning, if you were able to solve this question, the question I dropped this morning, can you drop your answer in the comment section? Hello Asma, good afternoon. Please, can you let me know if you're able to solve this question today? The question I gave earlier in the morning. So can you drop your answer? So let's see. Please guys, tap, 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 tap. Kindly invite friends and family to join. Yes, it's time for simultaneous equation, but though at the end of the class, I gave an activity. Okay, maybe I'll just take this up in the next live class when I'm solving exponential equation. So let's just solve the simultaneous. Since that was our agreement, I wanted to do the solution, the correction to this. Ma, are you coming back to LSK? No, Asma, I'm not coming back to LSK. All right, everyone, you're welcome to my live. Keep tapping, tap, tap, tap. Invite family and friends. Keep tapping. So, guys, Asma, I miss you too. Who is this? Musa. Where are you from? I'm from Nigeria. So let's start. Asma, are you not in school? Or have you closed for the day? All right, guys, so let's begin. So we have this simple, interesting simultaneous equation. Just as I said in the morning, I said I was not going to solve the normal simultaneous equation we come across in our classrooms. I was going to solve something very, very different. Okay, so this is actually an Olympiad math question. Oh, Asma, oh, sorry. I wish you quick recovery. Sorry. Hope you get fine soon, okay? You can send me a DM. Sharif says, do I come live every day? Yes, I come live every day, morning, afternoon, and night. I come live in the morning around 9 a.m. Afternoon, I come live 3 p.m. And at night, I come live 11 p.m. So I come live 3 times daily. So let's solve the question we have on the board. Square root of root a plus root b is equal to 7. Square root of a plus b is equal to 5. We are required to find the value of a and b. So we have two equations here. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And we know that for simultaneous equation, in simultaneous equation we always have what? Two equations and two unknowns, right? So this formula has two equations, equation 1, equation 2, and we have two unknowns, a and b. So who can tell me in the comment section who has an idea of what we should do first? Let me divide my board because this solution is going to be a bit lengthy. So I have to manage the board. My board is not so wide. My board is not wide, so I have to manage the board. And I don't want to clean. So I have to divide the board to manage the space. So join me live Monday to Friday. I don't come live on Saturdays and Sundays. I come live 9 a.m., 3 p.m. and 11 p.m. daily, Monday to Friday. So who can tell me what do we do first? Musa says, I feel confused when watching maths. Just be calm, Musa. You are going to enjoy this session. We have just one question here, but I think this is the only question I might solve today because in 1 hour I might have an engagement. So, and this might take time for me to finish solving because I have to take it gradually so that we all understand, okay? Collect like terms. Okay, we have two equations here. So we are collecting like terms from each of the equation. Is it equation 1 or equation 2? Guys, tap. Keep tapping to my gifters. Thank you all. Thank you for those that gifted me this morning. Thank you. God bless you all. Massis Castro. Hi, how are you, my fellow tutor? Nice meeting you. Asima, you said 1. Okay, we should pick equation 1. Okay. So if we pick equation 1, what do we do? I want to get ideas from the audience. What do? We have two equations. Root a plus root b is equals to 7. And that is equation 1. Equation 2 is square root of a plus b is equals to 5. We are looking for the values of a and b. Guys, keep tapping. Massis Castro, I will follow your page after this session, okay? Can you send me a DM? Nice meeting you, my fellow tutor. Musa said equation 2 for like terms. What can we do? Okay, I want us to start working with Ola flows. Use elimination method, mom's favorite. Okay, I want us to start with equation 2. Let's pick equation 2. Equation 2, we have square root of a plus b is equal to 5. Who can tell me what can I do here to simplify equation 2? Square both sides. Very good, thank you. So we square both sides. So let's square both sides. The reason we are squaring both sides is because we want to eliminate the square root symbol. Please guys, tell me. Hope my camera is not too far from the board. Hope it's clear. Please just let me know. Hope it's clear. Hope my writing is clear and the board and the camera is not too far from the board. Please tell me in the comment section. Okay, it's clear. The chemistry tutor, nice meeting you. Can you send me a DM? I'll give you a follow after the class. Alright guys, so let's square both sides. So this becomes square root of a plus b all square is equal to 5 square. Remember, whatever you do to the left hand side, you do to the right hand side, right? So here we have, so the square root here cancels the square. So we are left with a plus b is equal to 5 square is what? 5 times 5, that is 25. So we have a new equation here, we call it equation 3. I don't want to be fast, please. I don't want to be too fast. So if you understand up to this point, let me know. If you understand how I got equation 3, let me know. Because I don't want a situation where I'll finish solving and some viewers will ask me to go back to the beginning. So I want us to get it once and for all, okay? So I want us to take it step by step. If you have the answer, please let me know. Okay, Asima say yes, I understand. I want like 10 more people to tell me to go ahead. Okay, thank you. Tell me go ahead if you understand. Keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. Thank you all for your usual support, for your engagement. Go ahead, okay? You have 2 equations. Now you go to equation 3. Yes, from equation 2, I got equation 3. That's simultaneous equation. Thank you, the chemistry tutor. I will give you a follow after this page, okay? Can you send me a message because I have so many messages in my inbox? Okay. Okay, so I should go ahead, right? So now that we have equation 3 as a plus b is equal to 25. Please, is there anyone who has an idea of what you should do next? So the next, now we go back to equation 1. Let's pick equation 1. We have worked with equation 3 to get equation 2 to get 3. Now let's go back to equation 1. Now from equation 1 is what? Square root of a plus square root of b is equals to 7. Who can tell me what can I do with this equation 1? The crown. I'm a physics professor. Well done. Thank you. Nice meeting you. So guys, who can tell me what do we do? What do we do to equation 1? What do we do to equation 1? Guys, let's go. Keep tapping, keep tapping. Musa says you square both sides again. Very good. Yes, season health says health flavors. Okay, we square roots. Okay, we are not just okay. What we are going to do is not square root, actually is square. So we take the square of both sides. Okay, so let's do this. So the next step, we square both sides. So if you square both sides, we are going to have square root of a plus square root of b all squared is equal to 7 squared. Okay, so we are taking the square of both sides. So now what do we do now? We are going to remove the bracket by expanding. Yes, somebody said remove the bracket and rest. Remove the bracket. Which bracket? We are taking the square. Keep tapping, guys. Keep tapping. All right, so let's continue. So now that we have square root of, square root, root a plus root b all square. Now let's simplify this. We have to do a rough work, but let's just do it here. Now, for the sake of those who are not so strong in maths, so we have to take it step by step, please, okay? So don't see it as if I'm too slow solving this. I just have to break it down to the lowest term. So let's keep this 7 to the power of 2. Let's work with this, alright? Square root of a plus square root of a will give us square root of a squared plus square root of a. The next one will be square root of a times square root of b. That's going to be square root of ab, right? Then plus square root of b times square root of a. That is square root of ab again. You have to arrange alphabetically. Plus square root of b times square root of b. This is going to be square root of b squared. So let's simplify this now. The square root here cancels the square. We have a plus square root of ab plus square root of ab are like terms. So I add them together. I'll be having 2ab. Then plus square root, this square root here cancels the square. I have b. So if you expand square root of a plus square root of b squared, we have what? A plus 2ab plus b. If you understand what I did here, please let me know. So now we equate this to what? This 7 to the power of 2. Don't forget we have a 7 to the power of 2 here. Please, if you understand up to this point, let me know. Tell me continue in the comment section. Okay, understood. I want more response. I want more response. Continue. All right. Okay, that means we are together. Somebody said there is a mistake. Ola flows. Please, where is the mistake? Why roots get away? The roots get away because the square is cancelling the roots. For both a and b, the square root, you know in math, square root cancels the square. Please, Ola, you said there is a mistake. Where is the mistake, please? Kindly identify the mistake so that I can move on. Not for AB. Where? Okay, Ola, I've seen it. Thank you. Ola, you are right. The 2AB, right? Yes, correct. Thank you. This is supposed to be... What is it supposed to be, please? It's supposed to be what? Okay, I did not put a square root symbol here, right? Okay, 2 square root AB. Yes, I missed the square root symbol. Thank you. That's why I always want the class to be interactive. So in case I miss out a step, you help me out. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Master Sankar. Thank you so much. So I think we are good up to this point. So now let's continue. So this becomes... Now let's rearrange. If we rearrange, we are going to, let's have a plus the b plus 2 root ab. That is why me, I don't take anybody's comment for granted. I respect everybody's decision here. I respect every comment I see on my live session. Everybody's comment means a whole lot to me because from your comments I will be guided. So we are here to learn. As you're learning, I'm also learning. Okay, so let's continue. So this becomes a plus b plus 2 roots ab is equals to 7 squared. 7 squared is not 7 plus 7. I mentioned this in the morning because some people had this problem, challenge this morning. Oh, Umita, class rep, you are just coming. You are late. Class rep, you are just coming. Go. So 7 squared means 7 times 7, which is 49. I'm going to pardon Umita today. Today she's late. Our class rep. So 7 squared means 7 times 7, not 7 plus 7. Guys, keep tapping. The more you tap, the more viewers join this live session, and they are going to benefit. So 7 squared means 7 times 7, that is 49. So guys, look out. A plus B. There's something about, who can tell me what do I do next here? What do I do here? We have A plus B plus 2 roots AB is equals to 49. What can I do here? Ola Floss says what? A plus B is giving us 25 already, so we substitute. Thank you, God bless you. Good. So since from equation 3, A plus B is equals to 25, right? So we just substitute the 25 here. So we have 25 plus 2 roots AB is equal to what? 49. So what do we do here? We rearrange and collect like terms. We have 2 roots AB is equals to 49 minus 25. So this becomes 2 roots AB is equals to 49 minus 25 is what? 24, right? Hope I'm correct. Collect like terms. Good, good, good. 2 roots AB. 2 roots AB. What is happening here? Who accepted this invite? Please, this is not from you. Who accepted the invite? How did they join my life? Okay, Musa, you said the board should have been a bit higher. The comment sometimes makes it difficult for proper. Okay. Okay. All right. Musa, thank you for letting me know. In my life, before my live session, the next live session, I will take the board up. I will take it up. Please just help me manage it for the meantime. I'll take it up before the next live session at night. We'll meet at night. Guys, you know I'm not so familiar with this TikTok live. I'm not really used to it. How did those people join my life, the dancers? Or does TikTok invite people automatically? Please, people with experience should tell me. Those that join, those guests that join, I didn't invite them. I just saw them in my life. Me, I'm solving maths now, I'm not dancing. Okay, guys, so let's continue. So we have 2 root AB is equals to 24. Please, who can tell me what do we do at this point? Please, what do we do at this point, guys? Yeah, I think it's a mistake. No, I didn't accept their request, though. I didn't accept their request. So we have 2 root AB is equals to 24. So what can we do at this point, guys? Please let me know. By root AB. Just divide. Now what are we divide by root AB? No, you're not dividing by root AB, but instead we divide by the value of the root AB, the coefficient, which is 2, right? So we divide by 2. So if we do that, this 2 cancels out on the left-hand side. So we are left with root AB is equal to 24 divided by 2 is what? Is 12, right? So we have root AB is equal to 12. But what we need is the value for A and B, AB. So what do I do here? Yes, Ola flows, I get it. I know that's what you meant. I know that's what you meant. Guys, come on, let's go. So now we have root AB is equal to 12. We have root AB is equal to 12. What do? We square both sides. Good. Now square both sides. Sorry, I have to be writing every step in a sentence so that those who do not or who will join us later will understand just by looking at the solution. So square both sides. This now becomes root AB square is equals to 12 square. So the square root cancels the square, right? So we have AB is equals to 12 square means 12 times 12. So guys, what is 12 square? 144, thank you. So AB is equal to 144. So guys, am I permitted to give this call this a new equation? So the last equation I have is equation 4. I mean equation 3. So I can call this equation 4. Accepted? Can I? If I can call this equation 4, tell me yes in the comment section. Yes, 144. Tell me yes in the comment section. If I can call this AB equals to 144 as a new equation 4, tell me yes. Keep tapping, keep tapping. Okay, yes, you got it right. So guys, now we have, who can tell me in the comment section, what are the 2 equations we are to work with now? We have equation 1, 2. From equation 2, we got equation 3. From equation 1, we got equation what? From equation 1 now. So from equation 2, we got equation 3. From equation 1, we got equation 4. So what are the 2 equations we are to work with now? 3 and 4. Good, 3 and 4. F-man, you're welcome. Let me send you an invite, F-man. All right, Efma, you can accept the invitation. All right. So we are going to work with 3 and 4, so we are all correct. So now let me bring out the two equations together. Equation 3 is what? A plus B is equal to 25, and we have AB is equal to 144. So who can tell me at this point, with these two equations, equation 3 and equation 4, who can tell me what do we do? What can we do here? What can we do here? Guys, what can we do here? I'll be in the comment section. Please, I'm still here. I'm trying to share my live. Make either A or B the subject. Make A the subject. Make either A or B the subject. Okay. I'm reading comments. Okay. So let's see. So from equation 3, let's make A the subject of formula. SOF means subject of formula. So we are going to have A is equal to what? 25. 25 minus B, right? Am I correct? Okay, A is equal to 25 minus B. So I can call this equation 5, right? So what will I do? I'll substitute into equation 4. Now if I substitute into equation 4, I'll be having what? Let me shift my chair. So I'll be having equation, if I substitute equation 5 into 4, so I'll be having what? AB. So my A is going to be 25 minus B multiplied by B is equal to 144, right? So 25 times B will give me 25B minus B times B is B squared is equal to 144. This is leading to a quadratic equation. It's leading to a quadratic equation. I wanted to use another method for us to use the general formula for quadratic equation. But we can still use this. Let's go on. I'm following what you guys are saying, but I have another method for this. If at this point, for me, if I was the one solving this, as I have my equation 3 and 4, I would have used the general equation for what? For quadratic equation that has the roots A and B. You know, quadratic equation has, let me not deviate our attention. Maybe let's solve this and get the answer. Let's solve this and get the answer. If you get the answer, then maybe I can decide to use my own method that I was talking about. So let's just go on. Now we have, so if you want to rearrange, this will be minus B squared plus 25B is equal to 144, right? But we have to eliminate this negative here so that the B squared begins with a positive. So what would you read? Multiply through by minus. So minus times minus here will be a plus. So this becomes B squared. Plus times minus is minus 25B equal to what? Here is going to be minus 144. No. Am I correct? I'm correct. So now let's equate it to be equal to 0. So this becomes B squared minus 25B. This minus 144 will come and become plus 144 is equal to 0. This is my quadratic equation. You know, quadratic equation has the form of what? Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the equation we have. B squared minus 25b plus 144. So guys, please, if you understand up to this point, let me know. Just type understood. If you understand up to this point, just say understood. Okay, I need more persons. I need like 4 more persons. That if I have like 5, I'll know we are on the same page. If I have like 5, okay, 2. I need 3 more. 3. I need 2 more persons. Good, good. Okay, so now let's continue. So we have b squared minus 25b plus 144 is equals to 0. Now, should we use factorization method, or should we use formula method, or completing the square method? Which method should we use? Let me know in the comment section. The one with the highest, we'll go with it. Which one will be easier for us to use? We can use factorization method, we can use formula method, or completing the square method. Which one do you want us to use? Tell me in the comment section. How did you minus b squared turn to b squared? Yes, because I multiplied the equation through by minus. I multiplied by minus so that this minus will be eliminated. So that's why I did there. Burger boy, thank you for the rose. Thank you so much. God bless you. I see you. Formula method. Formula method. I'm from Nigeria. So we want to agree on the method we are using. Factorization won't work. Factorization won't work. I think factorization should work. Let's try it. Let's try factorization. It won't give a whole number, Ola. Let's see. Let's try it. Let's try factorization. If it doesn't work, then we'll use the formula method. The coefficient here is 1. The coefficient, coefficient of the last term is 144, right? 1 times 144 is 144. I think it's work. Guys, give me the factors of 144. One of the factors, we have 1 and 144. We have 2 and 72. Give me the factors of 144, guys. Please, I'll be in the comments. Let me know, what are the factors of 144? I'll be in the comments. What are the factors of 144? Factors of 144. You should have 2 numbers. When I say factors, that means it's 2 numbers. 12. 12 and what? 12 and 12. Good. Keep dropping the factors, guys. Go on, go on. So that means factorization actually will not work, right? Is there any other? Do we have any factors again? 48 and 3. We have 48 and 3. And that will not work. We keep trying, though. 24 and 6. 18 and 8. It's like factorization will actually not work. Is 16 times 9 144? 16 times 9. Thank you. Abiola, cool. Thank you. Thank you. 16 and 9. I know I will get there. 16 and 9. So that means 16 and 9 will work. So what do we do to 16 and the 9 to get the middle term, minus 25? What do we do to 16 and 9 to give us minus 25? Please let me know in the comment section. What do we do to 16 and 9? Good. Minus 16 minus 9. That's correct. So now we are going to use minus 16 minus 9. Guys, hope you understand all these. So now let's substitute. So we are using minus 16 minus 9. So this is going to be b squared minus 16b minus 9b plus 144 is equal to 0. Right? So what do? We pick the first 2 terms and the last 2 times we put in a bracket. Hope you understood up to this point. Burger Boy, thank you. Thank you once more for the gift. Thank you, guys. Thank you, gifters. Thank you all for sharing my life. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I'm also live on my YouTube channel at the same time. F-Man, thank you for the rose. Always a big supporter. Okay. I'm also live at the same time on YouTube. So somebody was asking me when you are starting integrals on YouTube. We'll do that. We'll discuss the day we'll do that. So guys, let's continue. Thank you. Thank you all for the gifts. Thank you to my gifters. So now let's take the common factors here. So for the common factors, we have b squared minus 16b. The common factor here is b. If you factorize b from b squared, we have b. Minus factorize b from 16b, we have 16. Minus, the common factor here is what? In the second bracket, you can tell me what's the common factor. Tell me in the comment section. What is the common factor? What is the common factor in the second bracket? B? No, it's not B. My YouTube name is Maths with Aisha Bande. Maths with Aisha Bande. Maths with Aisha Bande. B-A-N-D-E. No, the common factor is not AB. This is 9B. This is not AB. This is 9. 9B plus 144. So the common factor here is 9. So if we factorize out 9 from 9B, we are left with B. So guys, be careful though. This place is not going to be a plus any longer. It's going to be a minus because minus times plus will give us minus. Okay? So this minus will affect the plus here. We have minus here. If you factorize 9 from 144, we are going to be left with 16 equal to 0. If you are factorizing, always ensure that whatever you have when you are taking common factors, whatever you have in the first bracket is the same as what you have in the second bracket. If they are not the same, that means your solution is wrong somewhere. You have to check out for your size. Okay? F-Man, thank you for reposting. 9 months, you said you are lost. It's because you are just joining, that's why. Kindly send me a DM, okay? Or you can write down the solution. In your free time, you can check through. You understand? The steps are actually self-explanatory. Just take your pencil and your paper and write down. This guy, keep tapping, keep tapping. Kindly follow F-Man. He's also a math tutor. Yes, she can screenshot. Yes, things have been easy now. Somebody talked about the board, that the comments is blocking the board. So I have to take the board up, right? Before the next live session. So guys, let me know. Do I really have to take the board up? Is it covering is the comment section covering the board, the writing? Please let me know so as to serve you better. Is the comment section blocking the board? Yes, it is. Somebody said not needed. Just a bit. Okay, I will take it up a bit. I'll take it up a bit. Alright guys, let's continue. So now, since the first bracket b minus 6, b minus 16, right? Sorry, b minus 16. So we have b minus 16, and we take the values outside, which is b minus 9. This is equal to 0. So what this means is that what? The first bracket is equal to 0, the second bracket also is equal to 0. So that means b minus 16 is equal to 0. It means that b is equal to 0. Minus 16 comes to the right hand side and becomes a plus 16. And we have b is equal to 16. Now let's get the second value for b. We have b minus 9 is equal to 0. B is equal to 0 plus 9. Then b is equal to 9. So the two values of b, we have 16 and 9. Who understands to this point? So we are going to have two values for b and two values for a. If you understand up to this point, type understood in the comment section. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. Tap, tap, tap. The more you tap, the more other viewers get to see this live. Understood. Yaya Sakiro, we said no. What happened? What is this you don't understand? What is this you don't understand? So we have gotten the value of what? We've gotten the value of B. Now we can get the value of A. So who can tell me what can we do to get the value of? Please guys, follow my page. Kindly follow, kindly click on the follow button. Alright? Capitally understood, Mubarak Ahmed. Alright, I'm glad you understand. Okay, Naimot, you just joined. Yeah, that's why. We started more than 30 minutes ago. Sorry, just take a screenshot. That common factors, look at it. We have B squared minus 16B. And we have minus, open bracket, 9B. I think I'm blocking the of light. 9B plus 44 equals to 0. So what is common here? What is common in the first bracket is B. B is common in the first term and in the second term. So that's why we decided to pick the B out. See, another way of knowing how to do common factor is C. Since you've already brought out the common factor here, which is B. So you just pick the first term, divide it by the B, by the common factor, like B squared divided by B. That's how some people understand it. You take the first term, B squared, divide it by the common factor, which is B. So B squared divided by B is B. Then minus 16B divided by B will give you what? 16. Do it that way. Then minus, here we have 9B. We said the common factor here is 9, right? So 9B divided by 9 is what? Is B. That's why we have B inside this bracket. I said this minus before the bracket here is affecting the sign inside the bracket. So minus times plus is minus. That's why we have minus here. Okay? So 144 divided by 9 gives us this 16. So that's what we did here there for the common factor. Okay. So to get the value of A now, we substitute the value of B in equation 5 to get the values of A. Yes. So now let's go to equation 5. Equation 5 is what? From equation 5 is A is equal to 25 minus B. So let's pick the first value of B. So we have A is equal to 25 minus, the first value of B is 16. So A is equal to 25 minus 16 is 9. Now let's pick for the second value of B to be 9. So this becomes A is equal to 25 minus B, which is A equals to 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. So we have the values of A as 9 and 16. So the values of B is 16 and 9. B is equal to 16 and 9, while A is equal to 9 and 16. Alright, thank you for your kind words. You used coal. Is it used coal? Hope I called it well. So everyone, yeah, that's secret. You say I should come again. At what point? At what point do you want me to come again? Oh, my device is very hot. I want to take it out from the pouch. It's so hot because I left it inside the pouch. I should come again from equation 5. We've already gotten the value of B. We got two values for B, which is 16 and 9, right? So I want to get for A. So to get the value for A, that's why we decided to do what? We have to go back to equation 5. Equation 5 is 25 minus B. So we substituted each values of B. The first value of B is 16. So that's why we have 25 minus 16. And this gives us 9. And we substituted the second value for B, which is 9. So we are using the same equation, equation 5. That's 25 minus 9, which is 16. Okay, oh, my oga, don't shift. Yes, God bless you all. God bless you too. To all my gifters, thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate everyone. I do not take anyone here for granted. Okay, I should summarize, right? I'm just looking at the fact that I don't have enough space. So it's just because I don't have enough space. So let me summarize the final answer. I'll summarize the final answer, guys. If A is equal to 16, then B will be equals to 9. Then say if A is equal to 9, B will be equals to 16. So this is the final answer. I want to solve one more question. I want to show you guys how to solve simultaneous equation. Shortcut method, but this is for JAM students. If you find yourself writing JAM this year, I want to show you how to solve problem under simultaneous equation. If you're writing JAM, I want to show you something. So, I have an engagement in 10 minutes time, so I want to finish up. Ma, please, I haven't been in school for some while and I want to write JAM this year. See, that means you don't have any problem. Be coming to my live session. I come live 3 times in a day. I think if you... I need a private lesson teacher. I don't know if you're available. Personally, I'm not available. I have a whole lot doing. The best I can do is for me to come and teach live like this. But if you want, I have tutors that work with me. I can link you up to tutors. Good tutors that will teach you well, that will prepare you for the JAM. And from time to time, if you're free, you can be joining my live class. I give some JAM tips as well. So there's a question I want to solve. So let me be fast about it because this class is just for an hour. So I'm cleaning the board though. Can I clean the board? Are we done? Pierre, hope all is well. Why do you say you are dying in silence? Hope it's not because of mass. Abdul, I'm streaming from Nigeria. Yes, then send me a DM. My WhatsApp contact is on my bio. Kindly go to my bio and send me a DM. But I might not respond immediately. I'll respond later in the night. But just drop a DM. Join me Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. in the morning, 3 p.m. in the afternoon, 11 p.m. at night. So any which time that is convenient for you, you can join me. I want to solve one question, then call it a day, and meet later in the night. It's a JAM. I want to show JAM students how to solve problem with simultaneous equation. If you are writing JAM and you come across any problem under simultaneous equation, I want to show you what to do. And you can go and try the method I want to show you now with any problem under simultaneous equation. I'm telling you, you get the answer correctly. JAM 2026 aspirants. Let's say you have this JAM question. 2x plus, you come across this question, 2x plus 5y is equals to 12. And 3x plus 4y is equal to 11. You know we are required to find x and y. Aisha, you look familiar. Which school did you attend? I attended a school in Nigeria. Fabrice, you say you must be kidding me. About what? So let's solve this. So guys, let's continue. Thank you all. Keep tapping. So if you are writing JAM this year, let us see the board. If you are writing JAM this year and you come across a question with under simultaneous equation, see all you have to do. Come to the right hand side, cross multiply like this. Can you see? Then you multiply 5 times 11 plus 12 times 4 over. Now come to the left hand side, cross multiply here again. We have 5 times 3 plus 2 times 4. Are you seeing this? This will give us the value for x. So this is equals to 5 times 11 will give us 55. Plus 12 times 4 is what? Is it 48? Please let me confirm. 12 times 4. Let me confirm if I'm correct. Is 12 times 4 48? Live from South Africa. Okay. Thank you for joining. Guys, 12 times 4, is it 48? Over 5 times 3, 15. Plus 2 times 4, 8. So 55 plus 48. What do we have? 55 plus 48. 103, right? Okay. Sorry guys, we're supposed to subtract. Oh, sorry. This is a mix-up. It's not addition, it's subtraction. I was just wondering why I'm not getting the answer. So this is 55 minus 48. Here you don't add, you subtract. Subtract. Because here we have addition, so you take the opposite of it, which is subtraction. So this is 7. 15 plus 8 is what? Why is 15 plus 8? Please guys, help me confirm. Let me confirm the answer. I just want us to do this together. Do I have the answer correct? Oh! Thank you, Mr. F-Man. I think my mind is not here again because I'm in a hurry to go out. 15 minus 8 here gives me 7, right? So 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. So that means the value for x is equal to 1, right? So for us to get the value of y, we can pick any of the equation here and substitute. So this becomes 2x plus 5y is equal to 12. So we substitute the value of x. This becomes 2 times 1 plus 5y is equal to 12. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 5y is equal to 12. So 5y is equal to what? 12 minus 2. So we have 5y is equal to 10, right? So we divide both sides by what? By 5. So 5y divided by 5 is equal to 10 divided by 5. 5 cancels 5, y is equal to 2. So x equals to 1, y equals to 2. Use this method. If you are writing JAM, it's faster than using elimination method or substitution method. This one is faster. Please let me know if the method makes sense to you. If it makes sense, just say makes sense. Type makes sense in the comment section. Aspirants, join my live. Oh, you benefit a whole lot. Makes sense, right? So you don't have to use the elimination method or use the substitution method. Just do this. Cross multiply, blah blah, multiply, subtract it, do the other side, you get your answer. Alright. So now let's verify if our answer is correct. I like verifying. No, not clean it. Okay, no, I'm not cleaning the board. Let's verify if the answer is correct. Let's pick any of the equation. Let's pick equation 2 and see if 3x plus 4y will give us 11. So this is going to be 3 times x, which is 1, plus 4 times y, which is 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 4 times 2 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. So you can see, and we have 11 here. So this shows that what the answer is correct. If you want to use equation 1 to confirm, equation 1 is 2x plus 5y must give us 12. So this is 2 times x, which is 1, plus 5 times y, which is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 5 times 2 is 10. 2 plus 10 is 12. So you see, it's correct. I've come to the end of today's live, this session's live. That is for afternoon. I've come to the end of the live for this period. So we're going to meet at night around 11 p.m. Guys, please, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, you can try different simultaneous equation and see it will work. Try it. Try it. Guys, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Maths with Aisha Bande, please. My YouTube name is Maths with Aisha Bande. I also go live on my YouTube. Anytime I'm live on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube. Maths with Aisha Bande. So I go live at the same time. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's a way of, helping me. It's a way of supporting me. So for now, I'm done. Oh, I'm done for this session. It's almost prayer time here. At my end, we'll be praying Asri. That's our 4 p.m. prayer. So thank you for the follow. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for your engagement. So guys, what should we do later at night? At 11 p.m., what should we do? Please let me know in the comment section. Or I'm going to continue with the exponential equations. Join me at 11 p.m. for more exponential equations. But is 11 p.m. late? Is 11 p.m. late? 11 p.m. Trigonometry, sword. Okay, I will do trigonometry and sword tomorrow. No, I don't take our students. 11 p.m. Nigerian time. The first simultaneous is long. It's a question from Harvard that I picked. So 11 p.m. we'll do more indices. We'll solve more questions on indices. 11 p.m. Nigerian time. More questions on indices. 11 p.m. Please support me by coming to join my live. It's when I see your engagement, it gives me that morale to continue. All right, guys. So thank you. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Thank you for your engagement. All right, bye-bye. See you later at night. All right, young engineer, thank you for your engagement here. Okay, so see you all later in the night. Okay, bye bye everyone, see you later.